Hi, I'm May Gilletto, and I'm the Service to the Armed Forces Director for the Kentucky region. And I'd like to discuss and tell you about our fabulous programs. And the first one I want to talk to you about is, of course, you can see how wonderful my background is. It's Santa's Workshop. Santa's Workshop is a program and it's dear to my heart because I love children. So what we do is we basically purchase toys, and the command provides us with young soldiers that basically need assistance during the holidays. The people that are normally eligible are not rank-based, but it's more financial need during the holidays. So once we get the applications, we call up the soldiers and they can come and shop. We then provide them with 2 toys, possibly a book if they want to have a book, a family game if they decide they want to have a family game to play during the holidays. But then we also provide them with a basket. Baskets are basically theme-based, so we ask the parents which basket would they like. Last year we serviced over 285 children. The other program that we have is the food pantry and lending closet. The food pantry is one of the fabulous ideas that we had because of the fact that we had a huge brigade here a few years ago and a lot of young soldiers who were financially, of course, insecure. So we decided, you know what, let's go ahead and do a food pantry. So we have partnered with the commissary, and the commissary will provide us with an area, and the area is a huge bookshelf, and it's close to the cash register. And these are pre-bagged items by the Red Cross volunteers. And then we basically place them in the bookshelves at the commissary, and patrons that basically love our soldiers purchase them, and then they put them in the food pantry bin, which are at the exits of the commissary. The lending closet is also another fabulous program. A lot of our soldiers are coming from overseas, so we provide them with dishes, pots and pans, utensils, you name it, we have it. And we tell our soldiers, hey, please come and use it because it's free. And then we have our Warrior Warehouse. It's almost like a super Walmart, right? It's the thrift shop because it's gently used items, but a lot of times, a lot of people say, hey, I never used this microwave, and I want to give it to somebody that really needs it. So our Warrior Warehouse is for our young soldiers, again, that can use these wonderful household goods, furniture, believe it or not. Our wonderful donors say, hey, we want to give away our sofa because we're going to Germany and we have no room. Or they come here to Fort Knox and they're given a smaller home. So they say, you know what, this sofa doesn't fit, you want it? And we say, sure, we want it. And so usually the last full weekend of the month, we have a huge yard sale. And for a young E6 and below, it's free. Usually Thursday from 4 to 8. Our soldiers, E6 and below, can come shopping and they can take as much as they want. On Fridays and Saturdays, we open it up to all active duty people. And normally they say how much, and we say a donation would be lovely because it goes back to the food pantry, Santa's Workshop, and all the programs that we sponsor here on Fort Knox. And then on Saturday, we open it up to the public, and the public comes and grows. It's wonderful here, and I think Fort Knox is the only place in the U.S. in any military post that has a Warrior Warehouse. And we've been blessed by the garrison commander providing us with this space. By the way, all of these programs are run by volunteers. So one of our retired military said, you know, why don't we have a dressing for success? And I said, no. Because I said, why add another program, right? And she said, well, I'll run it. And I said, sure. So we got lucky and found a organization, nonprofit, that gets tons and tons of suits from Men's Warehouse. And we pick it up and we basically make appointments for soldiers that are soon to retire, or that they said, you know what, I'm going to get out early so I can get a job at my age of 35 and basically make some money. So we say, sure, come on down. We make an appointment. So it's a fun program, and again, this is a program that's run by volunteers, and we need more volunteers for all these programs. And for the Panera bread lovers, we have been blessed to have soldiers, volunteers, picking up the bread from Panera the night before and bringing it to Red Cross office, and we offer it to anybody on post. If you come on a Thursday morning, come early, and a Friday morning, because by noon it's all gone. So those are some of the programs that we really would like to emphasize. We need volunteers, we always need help, but we also want you to know that it's available for the military. And if you have any questions, you can call the American Red Cross in Fort Knox at 502-624-2163. Thank you.